Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best bike trainers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Conquer Indoor Bike Trainer Portable Exercise Bicycle. Whether you are looking for a bike trainer stand to get you into a serious fitness system or a stand you could carry along while traveling, I would recommend that you get the Conquer Indoor Bike Trainer. It is compatible with bikes featuring 700C wheels and those with a 26 inches to 27 inches height. Asides that, the bike trainer features a heavy-duty construction. Because of this and the extra wide frame, you can acquire it with an assurance of stability. The magnetic stand can fold into a compact size for storage and transport. Because of the sturdy mounting cups, you can expect it to reduce slippage to enhance user safety. The stand adopts an adjustable magnetic resistance. This enables it to create a drag against the bike's rear wheel to enhance the effectiveness and reduce the noise levels. You can increase or decrease the amount of resistance using the featured resistance knob. Moving on, at number 4, we have the FTW Bike Trainer Stand Bicycle. Stay in shape through all kinds of weather after getting the FTW Bike Trainer Stand Bicycle. Easy to assemble, the bike trainer stand requires 15 minutes so that you can finish all the setup. What's more, the bike trainer features a versatile design. With it, you can feel as though you are riding on flat ground, on the sand, or climbing a slope because of the 5 resistance levels. The bike trainer doesn't take up much space during storage, thanks to the foldable design. In addition, it is made using high-quality carbon steel, enabling it to support a 300 pounds weight capacity. At number 3, we have the Healthline Product Bike Trainer Stand. Designed for indoor bike riding and training, the Healthline Product Bike Trainer Stand adopts a noise reduction wheel. The wheel allows you to ride and train in apartments without disturbing your neighbors and family. What's more, the trainer stand adopts 8 levels of resistance. Level 1 to 2 is suitable for downhill riding, level 3 to 4 for flat road riding, level 5 to 6 for small hill riding, while level 7 to 8 is suitable for high hill riding. Another advantage of the bike trainer stand is its compatibility with a range of wheels. It fits wheels from 26 inches to 29 inches and those with 700C tires. You can expect this bike trainer stand to provide a feeling similar to that of riding on a real road. The reason is its ability to offer a wider resistance. Also, the bike trainer stand is a great choice when looking for one that is safe and suitable when used by people with a weight up to 350 pounds. This is because of the wide base and 5 adjustable anti-slip rubber pads. At number 2, we have the Topeakmart Premium Steel Bike Bicycle Indoor Exercise Trainer Stand. A must-have for dedicated cyclists is Topeakmart Premium Exercise Trainer Stand. The stand is made using a high-quality corrosion-resistance alloy. This plus the powder-coated high-carbon steel allows it to support a load capacity up to 120 kgs to provide you with the most secure cycling training method. Also, it features a versatile design. In particular, you can mount it on a bike from 26 inches to 28 inches and those with 700C wheels. The bike trainer is secured using 4 non-slip feet caps. These protect it from sliding and damaging the floors for a secure and safe workout experience. What's more, it features a foldable design. Because of this, you can expect it to store easily without the need for getting a lot of space. The fittings include shock-absorbing plastic. The benefit of this is the ability to offer effective buffering of the partial resonance while using the trainer. And finally, at number 1, we have the Alpcour Bike Trainer Stand. Cycle into shape even when the weather won't cooperate with the help of Alpcour Bike Trainer Stand. Constructed using a solid metal frame and featuring a wide-set design, the bike trainer is suitable when used by lightweight kids and heavy adults. Also, it features 4 rubber-coated pads. The pads deliver effective stability to help you get a stable performance on the carpet, hardwood, and tiles. You can install this stand on a range of bikes. The reason is the wide compatibility that makes it effective when used on bikes with a height ranging from 26 inches to 28 inches, and those with 700c wheels. Asides that, the bike trainer is suitable when used on a range of inclines. The reason is its 6 levels of fixed resistance that make it suitable when used on all kinds of roads, hills, and intervals. The trainer adopts a super quiet magnetic technology. Because of this, you can use it in apartments or shared houses without the fear of distracting your roommates. Also, it adopts a high-quality flywheel mechanism. This mechanism allows it to create a drag against the tire for a real cycling experience. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.